Dr. Raja, representing Suguna Poultry Farm Limited. We are one of the participants in the Poultry Exhibition Show 2010. We are the leader in broiler. If we say that out of 4 chicken in production in India, Suguna is producing one. Nearly 25% is the Suguna shares in the broiler market. We are having our operations from GP to GP to the commercial integrations, and we are having our production facilities from GP until commercial broilers, and also we are having our own processing plant. We are having further processed food like ready to eat product like chicken nugget, chicken popcorn, and all the products we are having the range. We are exporting hatching eggs, frozen foods, all the product to Middle East and Far East countries. Our company is having a turnover of around 4,500 crore. So we are growing at the rate of 20 to 30% per year. We are participating in all the shows in India. Yes, the response is very good because now it is a 3rd year in Hyderabad. So we are getting very good response from the participants, and the lot of inquiry we got for hatching eggs, breeders, and branded eggs. That means value-added eggs. We are having our website www.sugunapoultry.com and email ID corporate@sugunapoultry.com. There is a lot of growth opportunities for both broiler and layer. We are having our broiler name, the brand name is RAS 308, and we are having our layer, the brand name is Loman layers. It is a white color laying eggs. We are having the availability of hatching eggs, broiler hatching eggs, broiler parents. Then we are having our frozen foods, ready to eat foods. We are expecting franchises in north, east and west for our layer operations. We are ready to supply hatching eggs to those areas.